For years, gaming on Mac has lagged behind Windows, but that's changing fast. Thanks to Apple's new porting tools and silicone chips, gaming on Mac OS is no longer a dream. It's a reality. Many major releases now launch on Mac alongside PC and consoles, with more exciting titles on the way. Take Lies of P, a dark twist on Pinocchio, which debuted on Mac at the same time as other platforms. No Man's Sky also received a Mac OS port, making intergalactic exploration smoother than ever. And looking ahead, Wuthering Waves, an action RPG, lands on Mac in early 2025. Here are some of the best games you can natively play on Mac. Baldur's Gate 3, an award-winning RPG where your choices shape the story. Battlemind Flayer Corruption, or embrace the darkness in a world inspired by Dungeons & Dragons. Death Stranding, Director's Cut, a visually enhanced version of Hideo Kojima's unique, story-driven action game. Deus Ex: Mankind Divided, a cyberpunk RPG packed with action, stealth, and a gripping conspiracy. Factorio, an addictive strategy game about building automated factories. Grid Legends, a fast-paced racing game with aggressive AI that remembers your rivalries. Lies of P, a brutal Souls-like game where you play as Pinocchio battling mechanical horrors. The Medium, a psychological horror game where you explore two worlds at once. No Man's Sky, a once flawed space adventure now packed with exploration, crafting, and cross-platform saves. Horror fans should rejoice. The Resident Evil franchise has made its way to Mac. Resident Evil 2 Remake, a faithful yet modernized survival horror masterpiece. Resident Evil 4 Remake, an action-packed reimagining of the genre-defining classic, and the Resident Evil 7 and Village, first-person horror that brings spine-chilling suspense and unforgettable action. Other must-play titles include Rise of the Tomb Raider, Lara Croft's thrilling quest for the lost city of Kytus, Stray, a post-apocalyptic adventure where you play as a stray cat navigating a robotic world, Valheim, a Viking survival game that blends crafting, combat, and exploration seamlessly. With an ever-growing library of native Mac games, the platform's no longer an afterthought in gaming. Whether you love RPGs, horror, racing, or strategy, there's a game waiting for you on macOS. Ready to dive in?